What's going on, everybody? How are you guys doing? Welcome to fxprana.com, where our goal is to be able to help you be able to make an extra $1,000 a month. Boom. If you're watching this on a recording, go ahead and probably skip to minute number 5. That's most likely where we will be starting. Also, go ahead and put in your name, where you're calling in from. And if you can be able to hear me, go ahead and click on the like button. All right. Just doing something along on my side. So again, go ahead and put in your name and where you're calling in from, so that you know who's on here. Oh, yep, good. Dope, man. I like this setup now. All right. What do I miss? What's going on, Michael? What's going on, Lee? What's going on, Jess and Precious? So again, we'll probably be getting started in the next like 5 minutes. So again, if you're just logging on right now, go ahead and put in your name and where you're calling in from. We'll get started in the next like 5 minutes or so. Me, I'm always working on something. So we get not in 5 minutes, probably in the next like 2 minutes actually. What's going on, Anthony? What's going on, Jonathan, Eric, Jose? What's going on, guys? I literally just completed my freaking webinar and I am ecstatic. So now I just got to load this thing up. I guess it's like a really big file because it's not even loaded, which is crazy. But for the guys that are part of the You Are the Indicator course that have already gone ahead and purchased, you guys are going to be the first ones to check it out. I'm really excited to be able to hear what you guys think. So I'll be sending it to you guys once it's loaded up. Let's go ahead and get started. I was just making some changes on the site. You know what? Before we get started, let me go ahead and change the freaking in-person date. before I look like a fool again. So it's May 30th. That was correct. Good. May 30th through, no, 31st. No. That's a 4-day course. So the 30th through the May 30th through the 2nd. Okay, perfect. So now I have that. Right. It's so funny because like you guys, you know, are seeing me at the beginning. Like this is jack nothing compared to the vision of where I'm taking this thing in the future. And I'm excited for you guys to be able to see like how ugly it is now and where it's going. Yeah, going into June. Yeah, the 2nd of June. As far as the in-person course. All right, so let me go ahead and take this off before I overload my computer. Oh, I haven't been giving you guys books to look at, huh? I need to give you guys some books. Somebody remind me towards the end to upload a book for you guys. All right. All right. Ooh, I think EU is doing what I needed it to do. Earlier, I was like, oh, I don't know. Sorry, guys. I am getting everything up and running so that we can be able to start this. I was just making some changes on the site. I was just on the line with Alex, the creator of Mentor Box, just now, and I needed to make some changes because I can't be looking like a fool in front of Alex. Oh no, man. Oh no. Oh no, man. All right, we're just pulling up the charts right now. So if you can be able to hear me, go ahead and put in your name and where you're calling in from. Also, go ahead and click on the like button right now so I can be able to make sure that you guys can be able to hear me loud and clear. That works well. AU. If anything, we'll talk about gold. I'm in a trade on gold, so we'll pull up gold. Man, I am ecstatic to buy my new laptop. Beyond ecstatic. But the way that I work is I create goals for myself, and I can't just buy something just to buy it. I have to hit a goal first, and then I can be able to buy it. So let's go hit these goals, man. Let's go hit these goals. All right, so we got the charts pulled up. Just need to pull up one more chart. Gold, and then I'll go through my little spiel, and then we'll get started. So I apologize if we're getting started a little later than usual, but man, freaking GJ, bro. It's so faithful, but yet so annoying at the same time. Okay. All right, so let's get one. What's going on, everybody? How you guys doing? Welcome to fxpronow.com, where our goal is to be able to help you to make an extra $1,000 a month trading Forex at home with your family. What we're going to be doing today is what I call This Week in the Markets. On This Week in the Markets, every single Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday at 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we go on live to see if there's anything available in the markets. We look at pairs like EURUSD, AUDUSD, USDJPY, GBPJPY, and sometimes gold as well. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so what we're looking at right now, Let me go ahead and pull up TradingView. If you guys have TradingView, if you guys use TradingView, there's a way that you can be able to follow me on there, be able to get my analysis all the time. What's going on, everybody? How you guys doing? Welcome to fxpreneur.com, where our goal is to be able to help you make an extra $1,000 a month trading Forex online at home with your family. What we're looking at right now is EURUSD, and EURUSD has been pretty faithful based upon the analysis that we've had. And the analysis that we've had is where we believe that EURUSD is going to push downwards. And now how do we come up with that? Well, on the H4 time frame, what we did was we pulled out our fibs. Understand, we've had a downtrend. Based upon the weekly time frame, it's been a tremendous downtrend. The daily time frame has been in consolidation, but the H4 time frame has started to push price, making lower lows and lower highs, which is beautiful. This portion right here did not make a lower low, which is okay because before then it was making lower lows. With this not making a true lower low, it's kind of like but it's okay. Made a low, tested the last level of support. And what we figured is the fact that price would hold this level of support, push up to 1.13, and it did beautifully. That's where our sell limit was, and we also had a sell limit at 50% as well, so we had both entries. And once I saw that price tested this level of resistance again, I actually got into a third entry, and that's the highest that I go, 6% of my account based upon one specific trade, 2% per trade. Because I feel pretty confident about this. Earlier today, I was kind of like, because I saw that it was kind of holding level support on the lower time frame. I was like, oh man, I want to win this trade bad, is what I'm saying. I haven't traded EU in a while, and it's like, okay, it's finally getting out. I'm finally getting this on point. So what I saw was level resistance held. Level resistance held, and it was right around this area right here when I saw these 2 weeks. I'm like, man, what's going on? But this is still pushing downwards, which I like. I'm not liking that it's kind of bowing a little bit. It's one thing I'm not liking, to tell you the truth. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to go on different time frames. So that's what I'll do from time to time. I'll go on different time frames just to see, okay, like how are these candles closing on different time frames, like odd time frames, especially when I'm not really too sure about where price may go. What I need to be sure, completely sure that it's continuing to the downside, is for price to pull past and close past 112.8. I mean 1.128. If price closes with a full candle on the M30 time frame, I think we're good money, and I'll be ecstatic once that happens. And I don't know, if anything, I'll probably get into another trade, being the fact that the 3 trades that I already have gotten in my terms, based upon the way that I trade, I would feel as though like they're locked in. My profits are locked in, and I don't even have to worry about those. Especially when it breaks its level of support right here. It'll break. I can't do too many drawings because the computer has a lot of stuff going on in it right now. Especially when it breaks this level of support right here, right? Breaks that level of support, retests, and then we see a bearish engulfing pattern. Hell yeah, I'll be so excited when that happens. Once I see that bearish engulfing pattern form, I'll be selling again, and continuously doing that over and over and over. And this is what we call scaling up, or scaling in, sorry. So this is what I plan to do. We just got to make sure that the level of support is broken. That'd be beautiful. We just got to also make sure that price does not surpass this area right here. There's something else I wanted to say, which I'm annoyed that I don't remember. But this is what I'm looking at EU. I'm really excited about this one. And yeah, so if there's anything that you guys like, if you like the way that, you know, I'm breaking this down, if you like the flow, the way I'm doing this, and mind you, like the way that I trade, I want to give you guys my schedule. about 8 a.m. to 8:30 a.m. I wake up. What I do, I wake up my daughter, or she wakes me up, and she's 1.5, about to be 2 in July. She eats. We read. She takes her nap. She wakes up, and then from there we go to the museum, we go to the zoo, or we go to the park. Or I'm going to be adding this pretty soon. I'm going to be doing sports with her and stuff like that. That's my schedule. Then at 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, I come on the market to see if there's anything available. I enter my trades right after I'm done, probably about like 1 a.m. And I do not look at the market until 10 p.m. again. That's my schedule. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and like Thursday and a half. That's my schedule. If you like that style where you're not like on charts all day long, where you're not like, I don't know, just, I like to have my life, and I like to spend my life around with my family, right? Not on the charts all day long. I like the money I could be able to make, but I don't want to be on the charts all day long. If you want to be able to learn that style of trading, go to fxpronet.com. Follow our 3-step system. Step number 1, get a part of our ecosystem. I like that word. I'm gonna write that down. Get a part of our ecosystem, right? Get a part of our ecosystem. I gotta say it multiple times. Get a part of our ecosystem, right? We have a group chat, we have a Facebook, we have a YouTube channel that you can be able to get access to every single Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday at 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We come on the markets, do stuff just like this. Step number 2, we actually have a free 1-hour Forex webinar training that you can be able to get access to. I'm so excited. It's still uploading, and it's going slow as heck. So it's probably not available right now, but you're going to be able to get access to it within 24 hours, right? Or actually within 72 hours, I want to say, right? And then step number 3, we actually have a course that can be able to break down everything that we're doing. I'm so excited for the system. I'm so excited for the people that are going to actually trust in this and follow what I'm doing, because I'm telling you, this is going to be big. Thank God. So greatly appreciate your time. See you on fxpronet.com if you have any questions. Let's get it. Oh my God. This is going to be freaking amazing. All right. AU. And I think I said I'm not going to be trading AU, but let's break it down together. Yeah, man, this is sloppy, man. This is sloppy as heck. This is sloppy. I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it. It's making higher highs and higher lows from nothing. Like, it's weird, this thing, to tell you the truth. This is weird, man. Look at this. Wick. I don't like it. I can't trade that. Not my style, at least. This is what I trade. This is what I like. That right there. This right there. This right here. Up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. This is not my style. This is I can't do that. This right here is probably scalper heaven. Not me. I follow trends, not whatever that is. This is good if I entered in down here, not if I'm like in between. But this does look pretty interesting based upon point A, point B, and point C right here, right around this 88.6, and starting to make these wicks. Let's get started. All right, now I found something. All right. What's going on, everybody? How you guys doing? Welcome to fxpronet.com, where our goal is to be able to help you to make an extra $1,000 a month trading Forex online at home with your families. What we're looking at right now is AUDUSD, and when it comes to AUDUSD, right now we're looking at the daily time frame. At first, I was like, man, I don't really know if I could be able to see something. because on the lower time frame, not lower time frame, but on the H4 time frame, it's just doing like up and down, up and down, up and down, which is okay, but it's not like a nice full move and then pushing up, move and or the other way, move and then pushing down, moving that. It's only moving like 50 pips and stuff like that, especially around here where it's starting to make these wicks. But then I was like, what if it's making these wicks for the continuation to the downside, being the fact that maybe the buyers are getting tired. And this right here, 88.6 is right at this key level right here. And mind you, AU is notorious to having large retracements, slow retracements. So 88.6 seems to be like a good area. And with these wicks right here, not closing as full candles seems to be pretty good as well. So maybe the buyer's getting tired. Point A, point B, point C. Hopefully we're at the highest point of this area. I'm not even going to be able to see too much with that. Let's look at the H2 time frame. See what's going on. This is just weird. I wish I got in at the highest point. And I think last night we were at the highest point. Or was it here? What's today? Today is the 17th. What time is it? 4 a.m. on here. So 4 a.m. Yeah, we were at the highest point last night. Didn't I say like, yo, we should probably just enter in on this? I'd rather wait for a break of structure, to tell you the truth. Being the fact that we're not the highest point. The risk is only 20 pips though. Risk is only 20 pips. But let's just say that we were to actually place it to 120%. What is this? 60 pips. Do I want to trade this again? Because it has faked me out a couple times last week, but it's at its highest point. I'd rather wait for a break of structure, to tell you the truth. I'd rather wait till Monday. But I want to look for this to continue to the downside. And here's the thing. I wouldn't be surprised if the actual move is actually based upon that. And then with that being the case, it has way more space to move. Yeah, it has way more space to move. Literally all the way. 88.6 is up here. You have to pass my stop. I'm not trading this right now. Monday. All right. So if you have any questions, go ahead and actually check us out on fxpronow.com. We have a 3-step system to be able to help you become an FX Pro now. Step number 1, get a part of our ecosystem. Join our community. We have a free location. Free. Yeah. Free. Get a part of our community. I like that. All right. We have a free Telegram. We have a free group chat. We have a free Facebook and a free YouTube that you can be able to get access to, where every single week, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday at 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we actually go on live on YouTube to be able to see if there's anything available in the markets, just like this, but on other pairs as well. So you can be able to get access to all that content on our website. Step number 2, we actually have a free 1-hour Forex training that you can be able to get access to. And what I'll do is I'll actually reveal my top 5 secrets to becoming a Forex professional now. Man, just saying that feels so amazing with the amount of work that I put in to make this freaking webinar for you guys. The fact that I can be able to say now, you got it. It's still uploading. Probably take 72 hours to be able to have it complete the way that I needed to. So it's not available today on the 17th of April, no problem. But if anything, go ahead and check to see if it is available. And then step number 3, we actually have a course that you can get access to if you like everything that we're talking about. It's called the You Are the Indicator course, because we believe that you are the indicator. We believe that you can be able to do this for yourself long term and to be able to provide some extra money for you and your family. So if you have any questions, please let me know. Let's get it. Oh, the system is freaking coming together, man. I'm so ecstatic. Holy crap. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be amazing. Systems, man. You want to build systems, guys. What's going on, everybody? How you guys doing? Welcome to fxpronow.com, where our goal is to be able to help you to become where our goal is to be able to help you to make an extra $1,000 a month trading Forex online at home with your families. What we're looking at right now is USDJPY. When it comes to USDJPY, we are looking at this on the H4 time frame. We see the fact that this is a broken structure for the continuation to the upside. What I'm guessing is the fact that it'll actually have a retracement to at least 38.2 to 50%, probably even 61.8. So around 111.5 is what I'm shooting for. From that 111.5, what I'm looking for is for the continuation to the upside to 113. Right. The reason why is because we actually have a bigger move that has formed on the daily time frame from point A to point B to point C at 50% in confluence with our 109.8 for the continuation to negative 27%, which is 113.3. But I'm not going to 0.3. I'm going to 113 flat. Okay. Now why? Because in this area, there's a high level resistance that has formed on the weekly time frame, and I don't want to be anywhere close to that. All right, we see a clear level of resistance at this 113 area, and I'd rather just get to 113, close out, watch what the market's doing at that area right there, because it's going to have some issues for a while. Watch. I don't want to deal with that. I don't like that. It's literally going to do the same thing that GJ has done. It's literally going to do the same thing that GJ is doing right now, but on a higher time frame, meaning it's going to take longer to get out of this space. I won't want to be there when that happens. Now, here's the thing. There's a possibility that I can break through that level of resistance, and we'll see how that goes. But I'm going to actually be looking for the continuation to the downside. But we'll see how that goes. We will definitely see how that goes. I wouldn't be surprised. There may be some major news that's going to form once price gets to that level of resistance. Maybe it's going to be for like for the Japanese yen to be able to make a move. Like, where is it going on there? Maybe, I don't know. So if you like what I've done, you see how simple I keep it. What I would highly suggest, go ahead to go to fxpronow.com. We have a complete system to be able to help you to become an FX pro now or a Forex professional now. Step number 1 is to be able to go ahead and get a part of our community, get a part of our ecosystem. Everything is for free. We have a group chat. We have a Facebook. We also have a YouTube that you can get access to. Every single Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday at 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we go on live on YouTube to be able to see if there's anything available in the markets, just like this, but for other pairs as well. And step number 2, we actually have a free 1-hour Forex training to be able to, where I'm going to reveal my top 5 secrets to becoming an FX Pro now or Forex professional now. It'll be available in the next 72 hours from April 17th. Okay. And on there, you're going to be able to see some stuff, some good stuff maybe. And then from there, step number 3 is to go ahead and actually get started with our course. We have a full lineup that you can be able to get access to. And the goal is to be able to help you to learn the world of Forex in a step-by-step fashion. And there's many different stories that you can be able to see and be able to relate with. So greatly appreciate your time, and let's become FX Pro now together. Let's get it. I like the AU one. I need to re-listen AU. Re-listen AU. All right. GJ. I'm so excited that the amount of people that are on here is going to be the lowest that it will ever be after I launch this thing. I declare it. All right, GJ. What's going on, everybody? How are you guys doing? Welcome to fxpronet.com, where our goal is to be able to help you become, to earn an extra $1,000 a month trading Forex online at home with your families. What we're looking at right now is GBPJPY. And what GBPJPY is doing is exactly what we mentioned in the last couple videos. So go ahead and check out those. We see the fact that this is having a retracement. Now, understand, I'm looking for the continuation to the upside. I'd rather be buying than selling. I sold during here, even though I don't really like to counter trade, but I did. But I am looking for the continuation to the upside. Okay. But I am looking for a deeper retracement, to tell you the truth. 50% is cool. And mind you, I got out of my sell. It actually hit my stop loss once it hit here. I got into a tight stop loss. I was like, whatever. And it went even further. I'm like, what the heck? I could have been up another, got out right here, another 40 pips. It's cool. I think I got 30. But what I'm looking for is for price to retrace a little further. I'm looking for 145.5. I don't know if I'm going to get that far. It could stop right now. All right, it got to 50%. It looks like it's finding a nice level of support. I'd rather look for a break of structure first. Hopefully I don't miss it. If anything, what I could or would do is probably put like a buy stop right here, just in case on a lower lot size, so I don't miss out on the move, because I don't want to miss out on this continuation to 147.5, if I'm not mistaken, is the move. All right. But I don't want to get it hit and then from there continue to the downside. I don't want to be in drawdown at all on this. So I would rather this push down a little further. The actual move is from this point A, point B, point C. I want it to come down a little further, even though it does look like it's bowing a little bit. It does look like it's bowing a little bit, nothing crazy. I want to see how this candle is going to close in the next 2 hours. If anything, I wouldn't be surprised. At about like 2 a.m. is when I'm going to really be looking at this. 2 a.m. Eastern is when I'm going to really be looking at this to be able to see, okay, how is this moving? Because I do want to get the continuation to the upside so I can be able to catch something, because last week was trash for me, at least. I didn't lose any money. It was just I didn't do any trades because there was nothing that I could be able to personally find. So it's like I'm trying to get some, you know what I mean? Negative 27% is where I'm looking to go. 147.5 for GJ, which is going to be right around 150 to 200 pip trade. It matters on how much the retracement pushes. Now, here's the thing. The reason why I haven't gotten into any trades is because literally all of the pairs were in a form of consolidation or hardly was moving at all. And that's why I didn't want to like enter in anything. And also for GJ right now, it's still in consolidation. It probably looks like it's moving a lot. And yes, it's moving a lot of pips, but for GJ, it's in consolidation on a higher time frame. And that's why I'm kind of cautious on what I'm doing and stuff like that. Usually I just let things rock. On a GJ right now, it's in the form of consolidation right here. I just don't want to deal with that. So it is still making higher lows. It is still making higher lows, and that's why I still would like to buy a little more, because I think it still I think it still has a little bit more in them, right? It did form a level of resistance right here, right? But being the fact that it's pushing down a little further, I would want to buy at least something from here, 145 to here. That's still 100 pips from 145.5 to right here, 146.5 is still 100 pips. My goal for each trade is to make at least 100 pips. That's my standard. Anything lower than that, it's like I don't even count it. It's not like something that I desire. 100 pips is my goal for every single trade that I enter into. But it's not what I shoot for. I shoot for moves. When you get a part of our course, I'm going to teach you what I mean by a move and how you can be able to catch these moves, and go on from there. I'm not going to go too far in depth on what a move is, but I don't really focus on pips. I focus on moves, and I focus on my account growing by percentage more than pips, because pips can mess you up. But yeah. So we have a clear uptrend. Level support held. We also have a higher high, higher low. I'm looking for the continuation. So let's see, man. Let's see. We can see this as a key level on this low time frame. Just for this area right here, we see support, resistance, maybe support. I want to go into a lower time frame, see what's going on. Oh, that's what I was supposed to do on that other pair. Go to other time frames to see how it looked, which is what I'm doing right now. Mind you, I do not look at the M15 hardly ever. I'm just looking at it. I just want to see what's going on. So don't go on the M15. It's not worth it. I just want to see how this is moving on these higher time frames, even though it doesn't matter. I mean, there's lower time frames. Even though it doesn't matter, I just want to see. Again, I would suggest not to go on these lower time frames. It is not worth you looking at. I literally go on these lower time frames, anything lower than M30, less than 1% of the time. It's not something that's significant for me. And I would suggest, if you're looking to trade in my style, not have it be something significant for you either. Yeah, so I think this is still bearish. I think still it has some push to it. Because there wasn't what I was looking for, small breaks, destruction, stuff like that. Nothing crazy. The only one was this one. And it's nothing crazy. So I think this still got some bearish in it. To 61 at a point at the least, which would be an extra 30 pips for the continuation to the upside, which is what I love. If you can go deeper, even better. If it goes deeper than a 145.5, then I'm going to be kind of cautious, to tell you the truth, because I want this to keep as a level of support. If it goes deeper, then I'll be like, man, is the push to the downside going to start? The reason why I say that is because this held a level of resistance right here, and that would be pretty interesting. So, is the market open on Good Friday? I think so. So I greatly appreciate your time, guys. Either way, I don't trade on Fridays, so it wouldn't even matter to me. Yeah, so I greatly appreciate your time, guys. We actually have, if you want more information, if you want to be able to learn the way that we trade, if you like the way that we're looking at things, we actually have a website. It's called fxpronow.com. On there, we have a 3-step system to help you to become an FX Pro Now. And on there, step number 1, if anything, get a part of our community, get a part of our ecosystem. It's all free. We have a group chat. We have a Facebook. We have a YouTube channel where every single Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday at 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we go live to see if there's anything available in the markets. And with that being the case, you could be able to actually, follow what we're doing and probably even make some money with us. Step number 2, we actually have a free 1-hour Forex training webinar that you can be able to get access to. It's a lot of content that you can be able to get access to, where I reveal my top 5 secrets to becoming a Forex professional now. It'll be available in the next 72 hours if you are watching this on April 17th. Now, step number 3 is where you could be able to go ahead and get started with our course, which is over 10 hours of content, where we break down literally everything you need to know to be able to become an FX pro now in full detail, where literally I've designed it where you don't need anything else after that. You'll be a part of a community of other people that have taken the course, literally people from all over the world. And I'm excited for you to be able to get access to the vision that we have going on in the future. So I greatly appreciate your time, guys. If you have any questions, catch me on fxpronow.com. Let's get it. Beautiful. I like GJ as well. All right. All right. So, yeah, we'll do gold. We'll do gold because I'm in the trade either way. So, I'm in profit. I haven't even looked. I entered like somewhere over here. It was a bad entry, to tell you the truth. I wish I entered over here. I was waiting for price to push up a little further. It didn't. I just entered because gold, it doesn't even retrace like that. It just goes, which is beautiful if I didn't know what the hell I was doing. To tell you the truth, if I didn't know how to trade, if I didn't know how to trade in the way that these move, I think I'd be making bulk loads of money with gold. So I think I just have to switch the way that I trade just for specifically gold. But before I do that, for the people that are new on my page, I do want to let you guys know, Art, are you here? So I do guys want to, so I fixed my site a little bit. I don't know if you can able to tell. So I do want to let you guys know what we have access to. I'm really excited to be able to really, have everything laid out the way that I truly believe that this should be. And I'm excited for you to be able to experience this with me. So if anything, let's do this thing. So welcome to fxpronow.com. Again, so here's the thing. How am I don't know how I can be able to mix this in, but the goal is for our students to be able to make an extra $1,000 a month trading Forex along with online with trading Forex online at home with their families, right? Really think about what can an extra $1,000 do for you and your family this month. If anything, would it make sense to play this video?
You created an account and now you're looking all over on YouTube to figure out how do you build up the account. I know exactly where you are. I was there at one point in time. Now people are applying all over the world to teach them how to be able to actually go ahead and trade. From New York to LA, from Texas to Atlanta with a group of 300. But my favorite of all was a group of 60 out in Australia. But it's taken me a lot of work to go through all of my mistakes to get to where I'm at right now. So to help out others who are looking to also pursue trading as a side hustle or a full-time career, I've condensed all of my learnings into a free 1-hour Forex training where I review my step-by-step system to become an FX pro now, along with getting you to the point where you are the indicator, where you don't need anybody else, no more signals, no more help. It's all you. So make sure you sign up for the next free webinar where people are calling this an hour more valuable than months of learning in other Forex courses. You're not going to want to miss this.
So that's my little ad that I'm going to be putting up on Instagram and Facebook pretty soon. So as you can see, like this, I'm not new to this game. I've been teaching for a little while, and I think I can be able to help you out as well. So let's start by let's start getting you to the point where you can be able to start getting your bills paid from home trading Forex online. And we're going to keep it as simple as we can for you. So follow our system. Make sure that you get a part of our group chat. Understand, you want to get a part of each and every one because I do a different thing on each and every one. So get a part of our group chat, get a part of our Facebook, get a part of our YouTube channel. All right. And so click here. What I'll do, what you want to do is put your name, your email, and your phone number, and I'm going to actually send you all the credentials for those different things. Okay, I gotta fix that. Fix. Okay, fix. What is this email thing? For ecosystem. For ecosystem. All right. And then from there, step number 2 is to go ahead and actually watch our 1-hour Forex training. Again, what you're going to be able to get access to is watch my top 5 secrets to becoming a Forex professional. Now, what we'll be doing is debunking the top 10 most commonly asked questions for Forex traders. Let me change that right now because I will not forget. I will not remember. For Forex traders, of Forex traders, of Forex traders. Save this. Sorry, you guys are watching me when, like, in the beginning, when this thing really goes, you're gonna see how smooth this is gonna go. But I'm the type that I will forget and just keep on going. And with this, I do not want to forget. All right, so that's that. Fix 2. Fix number 2 photo. Photo. All right. So yeah, watch our training. Again, this is still loading. It's literally right here. And for some reason, this has not moved from this 13 for the past hour, which is freaking annoying. So that's why I'm giving it 72 hours, because either way, it's not going to be on YouTube. It's going to be on a completely different website and all this other stuff. So I'd rather putting out all the way than just, half a. All right. So step number 2, watch our 1-hour free Forex training, where again, you're going to be getting my top 5 secrets to becoming a Forex professional. Now, once you click on there, you're going to be able to get access to that. Right. Step number 3, buy the You Are the Indicator course. It's a Forex education that you're going to get access to, taught right. No BS with this, to tell you the truth, guys. It's simple, step by step, with no fluff. We talk about mindset. We talk about trading style. We talk about the foundation that you should put on your charts. We talk about the analysis, and we talk about execution on your trades, right? It's 10 hours of actual content. And believe me, every single week, every single month, is going to keep on growing with more than 50 organized trading videos you're going to get access to. Okay, guys, if you want to be able to get started right now, click on the button that says join the program. You'll be able to see the details and also be able to get access to the program right away. If you want to be able to see some stories of people that have gone ahead and actually taken the course, when you click on these pictures, you can be able to actually see their video of when they actually took the course. And some of them, you can be able to see the results after their course. All right. So if you want to be able to know a little bit more about me, you can be able to get access to this video. You can be able to see more about me. And then also, you're going to definitely get a lot of it in the free 1-hour webinar. And if you want to really know the fact, what I really want you guys to understand is the fact that this is not just some course that I'm selling. I'm actually looking to create a vision over time. So this is, I don't know if this is the right word, membership. I don't like membership, but the FX Pro Now ecosystem, the FX Pro, I don't know how I'm going to name this, but this is a full vision of what I'm looking to do. And it has 4 different parts to it. Part number 1 is where we make money together. Straight up, we make money together. Here, I'm gonna, because I need to figure out how the hell I'm going to phrase this. Part 1, or phase 1, we make money together. Make money together. Right? Phase 2, and that's with the course. Phase 2 is we have fun together. Have fun together where every single year we're going to have anywhere from 1 to 4 trips that we're going to take together. And it's going to be a lot of fun. The first one's going to be in August. It's actual, like, this is no BS. Like, we're actually going to be on this cruise in August, like straight up on Norwegian Sky. We have a couple cabins that have been booked by our students, and we're going to have a bunch of fun. Like, whoever is coming, I'm telling you, like, I don't know how I'm going to make it extra, but I'm going to figure out a way to be able to make it as amazing as it can be. Especially with the fact that, you know, my mom got some ties. All right. 20 years in the game. All right. And then from there, phase number 3 is where we're looking to be able to explode, where we're looking to compound, where we're looking to be able to create, how do I want to put this? Where we're looking to do something for generations, create a legacy. Create a legacy. So part number 3 is where we're going to create a legacy. I call it, it's literally called Omni, everything. But Omni living is this specific portion right here, right? And where we're going to compound our Forex earnings. So there's a lot of people that make money in the Forex game, and that's great. But what if we could be able to come together and actually take our Forex earnings, right, and invest in assets that will bring long-term residual gains for the generations to come? Where I'm talking about property, I'm talking about land, I'm talking about commercial real estate, I'm talking about whole businesses. Like, here's the thing, guys. There's going to be whole businesses that would like for us to purchase them. That's what's going to come. Okay. I don't know if you guys know what's his name? Warren Buffett does. I don't know if you know what he does, but it's going to be just like that. Okay. But as opposed to just him and his partner and the people that he hires, what if we could be able to do it together in a big way? There's a future vision for that. But there's only a specific few that are going to be allowed to be in this group right here. You have to earn at the least $100,000 a year for 2 years to be invited to this portion right here. All right, this is no joke, and this is by law. It's not just me. By law, those are the numbers. Okay, so this is what we're doing, and that's why I'm giving people some time to be able to get there. Okay, phase number 4 is where we, right, and then also the people that have gotten started with the course, where we can be able to give back in a big way, right? And this is really exciting. So this is what I call omni giving, or everything giving, right? Where what if we could be able to give back to the community, but not just our community where we live and do something small. I'm talking about something massive. What if we could be able to go ahead with the earnings that we've created, we take a portion of it, and from that portion, we build actual buildings, right? We don't want to use anything used. We're going to build actual buildings with nice AC, with electricity, with the internet and all this other stuff in other countries. Now, what we're going to do in those other countries is we're going to invite students anywhere from 13 to 17 years old. From 13 to 17, we're going to invite them to come and learn how to trade Forex, how to read, how to think, how to use emotional intelligence. Those are going to be the key portions of it. And I'm pretty sure there's going to be more like smaller portions and stuff, but that's the main focus, right? From there, we're also going to give them a laptop, right? A personal laptop. We're going to give them internet. We're going to give them the You Are the Indicator course so they can be able to learn. And they're also going to have a mentor there as well in their specific country, right? And that mentor is going to be somebody that has made a significant amount in the Forex world, okay? With that being the case, from 13 to 17, they're going to grow their account over time, and they're going to be around a specific few, that are also doing well. So out of 1,000 students, let's say there's 10 that really want to take this thing seriously, right? And then from there, go ahead and actually help out their community, help out their country to be able to build something. Let's just say they realize that specifically like in Haiti, there's a major problem with plastic literally everywhere, garbage. There's people that you'll see a garbage can sitting right there. They'll throw the plastic bottle literally right next to the garbage. Like it's not there. Like the garbage is not even used. You'll see garbage all around. You open up a garbage, it's empty. It's like, what the heck? So what if we could be able to create a way to be able to actually take those plastics, incentivize them to put them in the garbage. From the garbage, we bring them to a specific location, and from that specific location, we build bricks out of plastic. That's an idea, right? But it's not us doing it; it's them doing it. It's them creating it for their for their country. And I think it'll be a massive project because let's just say in 100 years, I'll be gone. We'll all be gone. But this idea will still be flowing. That school that we'll create will still be there. Being the fact that it's not us creating it, being the fact that it's them, the students, creating it, and then from there they keep it going, it's something that would continue to go because it's not us creating it, it's them creating it, so they actually care about it more, and then they want it to continue. So what's very, very important as a leader, you do not matter. Really listen to what I'm saying. As a leader, you do not matter. What does matter is the amount of leaders that you create, your successors. That's what matters. That's what truly creates you to be a real leader. You're not a leader just by definition, by a title. You're a leader by what you create over time when you're not there. Man, when you're not there is what really, really matters. And that's what I'm looking to create. So anybody that really, really wants to be a part of this vision that I have, right? And this is a true vision because it's not here. It's just something that I've created in my mind for the past couple of years. But now I found a vehicle that I can be able to partner up with other people and be able to do something with. And this is what we got going on. So if you want to join that vision, click on this button. And what it's going to do is going to start you with phase number 1, okay, with the course. And then from there, we could be able to flow this thing, man. All right, so when you get started, you're probably wondering, okay, what's the course include? Well, it's going to be an actual curriculum of content that you can be able to learn how to trade Forex and be able to be done with it. You're not going to have to look for anything more, anything like that. It's all here. All right, we talk about psychology. We talk about the type of trader you can be. We talk about the time frames that correlate with each other. We talk about what each time frame means. We talk about TradingView, how to keep your charts clean. We talk about how where you can be able to start marking up your charts. We talk about what to do next. We talk about specifically what an uptrend is, what a downtrend is, when it's not an uptrend or downtrend, but in detail. Like, this is not like some thing you can find on YouTube, that some person made. No, this is a little better. And from there, when a market is actually going to continue, how do you know it's going to do that? How do you know if the market, how do you know if it's going to confirm that that's going to do that? And then from there, the basics of a trend line. But trend lines in detail, we talk about Fibonacci retracement tool. We talk about when to enter. We talk about when to stay into a trade, when not to stay into a trade. We talk about checklist before you enter, and bringing it all together, what I call the sauce in these videos right here. All this stuff is to be able to get you to the point where you don't need anything else. You don't even need me, right? You can take this and run. You're done, okay? So there's an in-person course and there's an online course that you can be able to get access to. Right, the in-person course actually comes with the online course because I require that somebody take the online course before you actually come to the in-person. So that's why I actually bring it in pairs. That's for now. This may change. I'm almost sure it's going to change, actually. Most likely, as time progresses, you got to buy the online course and the in-person course. It's not going to be together. But for now, this is how it's done. Literally every single 30 minutes, I'm switching up something, right? Because this is brand new compared to the long-term version of where it's going, okay? So anything that I say to you guys, I would take advantage right now. It's not like everything here is going to be here forever, right? Yeah, there's things that I'll take away today, okay? So I'm just letting you guys know that. Anyways, so when it comes to the pricing, right now for the in-person course that includes the online course for free, it's only $9.97. I'm pretty sure I'm going to change it where it's going to be $9.97 for the in-person course, and $497 for the online course, right? But you pay for them separately, right? Or together it'll be $1497. That's most likely how it's going to be. Okay. And then from there, for now, if you've gone ahead and taken the online course, right? If you've taken the online course already, for now, the in-person course is only $500. That is 100%. I want to say 99.8% going to change, where you're not going to get, the in-person course for only $500 anymore. Most likely it's going to be $997 again, because that's what it's truly supposed to be. Okay. So it'll be $497 for the online course, $997 for the in-person course. Most likely that's how it's going to be. So if you're taking the online course and you're waiting, I don't know, like if you need to come to the in-person course, no pressure. But if you want to be able to come to the in-person course, it's not going to be $500 anymore. It's going to be $997. I'm going to keep it at the $500 for now for this specific trading, and then after that, I'm going to be taking this away. That's most likely I'm going to do it. So from there, it's an intense 4-day course that you're going to get access to. It's advanced, highly advanced. When I say intense, don't just hear that from me. Literally, when you actually watch one of the stories, I don't know if I have the story on here. Here, watch this couple's story right here. Listen to what he says about the course. Listen to what he says about the course. Right? He literally says the word intense, which is funny. Right? So it's May 30th to the 2nd. It's in Miami. It's a personal experience you never forget. 25 hours of actual content. There's literally no fluff with this. When I say 5 hours, it's 5 hours. When I say 10 hours, it's 10 hours. When I say 10 hours, 10 hours. 4 days until it's done. Okay, so we have an actual curriculum that we're going to follow. Before you walk out those doors, you're gonna be way better than when you walked in, 100%. Right now, if you're not able to come to the in-person course or this price is too much, no problem. Well, we can be able to actually get you in for just $497, getting access to the same content, but as opposed to me explaining it to you, it's in a recording, right? Just as good, to tell you the truth. Okay. Me, I need to be in person with the type of person that I am. I need to learn in person, but people can still be able to learn online. There's a lot of things I've learned online. All right. So you get seven free bonuses that are included with this. It's a lifetime mentorship that you can get access to, private support group that you're going to get access to, private weekly mentoring that you're going to get access to, 24 hours access to the online content, and invitation to our yearly FX on the Beat celebration. And by enrolling today, you're going to be able to actually help a child in need. Because let me tell you something, like specifically in Haiti, now I don't know a lot of rich people in Haiti. To tell you the truth, I know no rich people in Haiti. I'm pretty sure there's people that are living it up in Haiti, but I'm almost sure that's going to be the first country I'm going to go to create what I'm looking to create. I think. I don't know what's going to happen in the future, but with the fact that I've seen like people in need, like they need, it's not even like a maybe, they need something else. And I know for sure with what we're going to be creating, give these kids a full year. I think they could be able to create something for the families, and I'm ecstatic to be able to do that. So this is what we're doing. So if you're international, we actually have friendly international pricing. And if you have any questions on anything that I've said today, click this button right here. Let me know your name, email, phone number. Let me know what you're interested in, right? And then from there, go ahead and actually write specifically whatever it is, and I'll contact you by phone or by email within a 24-hour time frame, probably even sooner, and we can be able to actually speak. Okay, guys? So that's my little spiel about what we got access to. I'm excited as heck because this is actually turning into an actual system that we can be able to follow, and I'm excited. So if there's anybody who's brand new, has any questions, again, go ahead and actually contact me. Believe me, I'm open to be able to help. Okay, let's go ahead and talk about gold. Nothing's really changed, to tell you the truth. I'm not really gonna break it down completely, but we do see these nice bearish candles. I wish I entered in up here where I had the opportunity, kind of tight, because it was almost like showing you, hey, I'm here. But I'm almost sure it's just gonna continue. It's not gonna have any pullbacks. So I'm happy I entered. How much am I at? Let me see. I haven't even looked. Oh, I'm only up like 10 pips. Nothing crazy. The market's hardly even moving, bro. Like, I've entered a long time ago on a lot of these trades, and this thing is just freaking blah, to tell you the truth. The market, usually things are moving pretty quickly, and it's just been kind of whacked, to tell you the truth. All right, so yeah, the market's hardly moved. I'm looking for price to continue to the downside to, man, it's going to take a long time to get there, though. For this itty bitty, what, like 400 pips? So yeah, I'm looking for price to go to 1231 at the least. It'd be crazy if it actually breaks through to go to the downtrend. That'd be insane, honestly. Insane. All right, guys. So that's my little spiel. Before I get off of this and edit some more stuff on my site, I haven't edited stuff on my site in a long time. There was a point where every single day I was editing something on there. My fiance was like, "You're obsessed." I'm like, "Yeah, I'm obsessed. Hell yeah, I'm obsessed. This is my vision, man. I'm supposed to be obsessed." So any questions before I get off of this? Any questions? Any questions? Cool. So as you guys are not writing anything, I'm just going to continue fixing my stuff. So I'm gonna give 1 full minute. Set alarm for 1 minute. Okay, I set it alarm. And then after that, I'm gonna get off of this. Do you want me to share your ads? I haven't put out the ad as of yet, but for the people that are part of the You Are the Indicator course, I'm going to send you a little breakdown of what I'm looking to do. So please look at that in the next, I don't know, I got to upload the freaking webinar first, but I'm going to send it to you guys. Please read it thoroughly. And also with reading it thoroughly, please follow through with what I'm looking to create, what I'm looking to do. The ad is not up as of yet. The ad, I'm not going to put up the ad until the webinar is solid, until it's, when I say solid, it's revised by you guys, then it's revised by me again, then I send it out to this other group of people, and then I send it out to my guys wherever he lives, and then send it out to another group. So I got to revise it from all these people, right? Once that's done, I'm going to go ahead and put it up on this website that's going to run it for me, and then from there, then I'm going to put the ad up. But I have to make sure that I put it up before Thursday because I'm going to the freaking the NFL draft. I'm going to the NFL draft to celebrate. I never even fathomed to go to the. That was never even a thought. Never even a thought until last night, two nights ago. I'm going to the NFL draft. So if you guys are going, let me know. Hit me up because it's gonna be dope. I think the Jets are gonna do something big this year. By the way, I want to buy the Jets. That's one thing I like. You know, this other guy. What's his name? Eric G. Not Eric G. What's this man's name? I see him all the time. Anyways, last name G. He wants to buy the Jets. Well, listen, bro. I'm sure you're way closer than I am, and that's fine. But, you know, this is a marathon, bro. This is a marathon. To buy the Jets, I know that guy is not selling anytime soon. So, I want to buy the Jets, bro. I want to buy the freaking Jets. Yeah, Gary V. I want to freaking buy the Jets, man. Like, I follow that team since I was like a kid. You know, people ask me, "Oh, you know, why do I like him?" I don't know. There's no other team to like, to tell you the truth, for me at least. Let's buy the Heat too. I do not want a basketball team. I'm sorry. I do not want a basketball team. I want the Jets. I want the freaking Jets. So again, guys, for the people that are part of the course, please go ahead and follow the thing that I'm going to be sending out probably in the next 30 minutes to 1 hour. I'm gonna fix the website first, then send you out that stuff. All right. So really appreciate your time, guys. Peace.